It's your girl Preston. This is King Diva. You're wondering why I'm standing, right? I just wanted to change it up a little bit, just a little bit. Hold that thought. Okay, so we have better lighting. I went to turn on the lights. So guys, I want to just change it up a little bit. I know I always sit and talk to you guys. Today I'm standing, and that's because of something very, very special. So I made this hair in the night, and this is 2 days after that night. I normally always review my hair after 2 days, so you guys can see how coarse my hair is. My hair is a natural 4C hair, like the type that nobody wants to have. But funny enough, anybody that comes in contact with me always wants to know what I do, always wants to know what this hair is about, like what you do to your hair. Your hair looks to be really, really, really beautiful. I'm like, guys, it's not like that naturally, okay? Like I had to give it some love, so it's giving me the love back. So guys, I'm going to take a spin so you guys see what the hair is looking like, and then the rest of the video will just be a fast forward of how I made it. But I made it in the night, so I hope you don't strain your eye too much. I use an external light, so I don't know, it doesn't compare to the kind of lighting that daylight gives. So just try to understand through the video. I'm just going to take a spin. enjoyed making it, and I think like my hand has been away from my hair for at least 3 days now, and I have no which is good. So to my 4C sisters, please love your hair. I know we have like the driest looking, you know, natural hair. We have the 4C kind of hair that is just not appealing to the eye. Stop peeping into the family. You can be part of the family, guys. All you have to do is hit the button and hit the bell button beside it, and it's really free. And I create content every week. That is so much for you to consume. So come on, hit the bell button. I know you want to do it. So guys, this is brought to the end of today's video. If you're new here, thanks for tuning in and consider subscribing. I really appreciate the time you spent on my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.